rush hour. Oh my god.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
We picked the worst time to take off. Sorry. Oh no. Well, that was stressful.
There goes a sight.
Video. Come on, come on. Oh my god, it's so heavy though now.
I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
Okay, so I've unlocked it and then I just pull this up, no down.
Up.
Move the plastic out.
But move the plastic out of the way so it will go up. Put that across and it's locked.
It's not my forte, this.
And you're ready to go.
Oh, and to turn them on.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by.
Okay, so I've got myself a beetroot latte from the organic shop and I'm going to see if I can scoot and drink. Apparently you can actually get a little cup holder. So for those coffee addicts that want to get a coffee on the way to work, they can just pop it in the holder. I don't have one on this scooter, so I'm just going to have to do the good old-fashioned folding. So let's see how that goes. It's got a lid. Good luck.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Oh my god!
Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
Coffee on the scooter, I've decided it's not worth it. Doesn't work. Okay, we're going to go and do a grocery shop now, see if we can take it back home on the scooter.
Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
How do you hang it? How do you hang it?
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by.
She's cool.
Walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
I got way too much stuff. Heavy stuff though, like carrots, pineapples.
There goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
I feel like I should have got 2 bags really, but we're gonna see how we go. Even though I was gonna get 2 bags and I only got 1, It's actually open, it's fine.
Like a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Yeah, it's doable. Look, with a heavy bag of groceries, it is actually doable.
It's so fast, and if we had to, right, we just gotta get home now. Like, we've just been out on the e-scooters. I am absolutely exhausted.
Yeah, we just had a long day of filming. I mean, it was really fun. Really fun.
Yeah.
But it's been a long day of filming.
We did a shopping trip.
Oh yes,
we got we got a hot drink.
Yes, she did, and I knew better than to do that because that didn't go very well, did it?
No.
We even took it to do some groceries, and yeah, we got into the shop fine. We put our basket on it. It was actually perfect. It worked really well. We came out with a heavy bag each, and we put it on the handle, and actually, it was mostly fine. But there was a little accident, which we didn't get on camera.
Do you know, I think the two things that didn't work on the scooters was the drink. I did go and get a hot drink, and apparently some of them even have like a cup.
A cup holder?
Yeah, I mean, I think maybe it depends a little bit on where you are as well, because we were in a really busy kind of shopping precinct, and there was people everywhere, so... And like we were going upstairs, it was quite jerky, but every time I tried to drink from the cup, it just went all over the place. So that didn't really work. I couldn't successfully drink a hot drink on my scooter without spilling it all over me. And yeah, then with the shopping, I definitely learned that I needed to maybe if I'd have had it evenly weighted, but I had a really heavy bag of stuff. It was on one carrier bag and it's on one handle.
Yeah.
I knew it was going to be off balance, but it actually felt okay, and I was zipping around the car park, so I thought, it's fine, I can get home. And then we were really close to the tube station. I was going really slowly. I had to slam on the brake for like a person, and I just went over the top, and I actually really hurt my wrist, my leg.
So yeah,
don't do that at home.
Yeah, I mean, definitely, if you want to do groceries on an e-scooter, use a backpack. But we wanted to try out, different scenarios and see what would work, And we forgot to mention, actually, we even took it on the train, right? And we took it on 2 trips on the train. One was right bang in rush hour, and it was actually fine. We folded it, after we folded it up, it actually went in between, in our personal space. So it didn't take up too much space on the tube, on the train or anything. So it worked well. But yeah, I guess the main thing...
They're quite heavy though. One thing I found was they were quite heavy.
They're about 12 kilos.
Yeah, so that and a grocery bag, I think if you didn't have... I really think a rucksack is the right way to go.
Yeah, definitely.
But otherwise you can use the lift, which at least, a lot of stations have a lift.
Yeah. Yeah, so, I mean, what's our main take from this, really?
I want one. I'm a bit scared though. After my fall,
yeah,
I think I'd get a helmet.
Absolutely. I mean, I had so much fun on the electric scooter. I really want one too, but I don't know. Yeah, the main thing is definitely you really need a helmet for this. It can, accidents can still happen. And, for our videos, we didn't wear one.
We took a bit of a chance.
Yes, and we wanted to test a few things out. So really, do not try it at home, what we did in our video. And if you ever get an electric scooter yourself, you need to wear a helmet, safety first. We were taking it out for a test run, and we wanted to have some fun, so we wanted to test it in ways that you wouldn't necessarily test it, if you had one yourself. So yeah, but that's what we've learned, helmet for sure, if we ever get one. But it was so fun. It was so
Yeah,
fun.
I'm just like off to sleep.
I know, it was such a long day of filming, but it was good. And really, I wanted to say again, thank you so much to Back2the for providing us these e-scooters.
I'm
to use
walking
today.
all day.
Yeah,
while
they
we
were
had those
also-
scooters.
They were there with us today, filming it and having fun with us, you know. So yeah, really, thanks so much to them because they're very passionate about e-scooters. So don't forget to catch the interview we did with Back2the you can hear about their, you know, we asked them lots of questions and about the regulations of e-scooters and just basic questions about e-scooters that you might want to find out. So make sure you check it out and obviously check out our review, our fun review of the e-scooter, the little fun, all the fun videos we did on that. And yeah, thanks so much for watching.
Bye.
We'll see you at the next video. Bye guys.
So